Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a few changes to the interior of my car. So the first thing I'm talking about is this beautiful leather armrest. I'm going to replace it. Mine's tan and this is just so nicer looking, and if it gets dirty it's not going to notice as much as the other one. And then I got me a genuine shift knob. Amazing. Toyota right there, made in Japan. It is so gorgeous. That is what you guys want right there. Beautiful. Cobra Radar detector. That is what I'm talking about right there. Special thanks to Ulysses for hooking it up with this amazing Cobra Radar. For those that don't know, in the previous videos I've showed a little bit of this radar, but I'm not sure what's going on. It's not really working too well, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it doesn't matter because I got me a nice radar here by Cobra. So thank you again, Ulysses, for the hookup. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's like super foggy right now, and it's about to rain, and it's super cold right now. I want to be inside the car, not really outside the car. Also, I gotta mention one thing. I just want to thank all the winners, the 10 winners. Congratulations to all you guys. It was so fun doing it. I know you guys are still waiting for the stuff, but give it a few more days. We're still waiting on 1 or 2 more emails, and then we're gonna be shipping all the stuff in one day so we can get that done. For those of you that are pretty far, give it some time, local. Maybe expect within less than a week. So from this video being posted. So a lot of you guys asked for more DIYs. I want to give you guys so many more DIYs and do all that cool stuff, but time willing, we will see what happens. And so the first thing I'm gonna do is put this on. That is the leather armrest, and this is my ugly shift knob. It is just all faded away here, so I'm gonna replace that. It's gonna look gorgeous, and look at the difference. I'll take a picture of this like that, and then I'll show you guys after, and you guys could tell me if you guys liked it this way better or the way it's gonna end up after. All this is 2 bolts and that's it. Now we got this. Oh man, that looks so much better. What's up right there? Perfect. You can't put these on. They're specific to one side. So this is gonna be the left side. You guys can see that. And the other one's gonna be the right side. So they're specific. So if you can't get them right, make sure you're aligning it to the arrow supposed to be pointing to the top. Here we have our brand new TRD leather shift knob, straight from Japan, genuine. Put this on here, I'm gonna get this cleaned because sometimes you get dust and just dirt in here, so you just want to get that really clean, real good. Want to make sure it's super tight. You don't want that sliding off of you when you're racing. So it's nice and tight, and it's aligned perfectly right there in the center. So the trick is, if it just doesn't work, if it's not aligned, then just put it in a different position, keep doing it, and eventually you'll get it right where it sits nice and tight in the middle. So that's what you want right there. So, oh, that looks so nice. Looks so nice with this leather armrest. Oh man, I love it. What do you guys think? I can't forget about my radar. So I gotta put this on here. By the way guys, it comes with this, so it could stick to the windshield, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want that cable to be in the way. I don't want that. So I want to put it right here. I'm gonna see if I could find the sticky, this little square white sticky thing, and then I can go ahead and stick it on here like that somehow, or put some tape for right now. Looks really nice though. Go ahead and laugh all you guys want, but this is only temporary. So hopefully it sticks on it pretty good. Looks real good. That's what I want right there. Man, I got the hook up. So let's go ahead and see if it makes all those right noises. Ooh, nice. Alright guys, so I went around town and I didn't find no cop. So that moment where you're just trying to test your radar and you don't find nothing, but it's all good. It didn't give any false alarms, false signals, or anything like that because I didn't see anything. And don't forget to check out the description. Within a few days here, we're gonna be uploading that website. We're working on it. We're posting a bunch of stuff we have on eBay and stuff like that. So make sure you don't forget about that. That's it for this video. It's pretty simple, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. And what else was I gonna say? Stay posted. Bye.